there's like a dude right there.
Alright, hey guys, it's Todd with GSX. I'm putting one Venom drink on headhunting Lewis. He's hard to get. He's a great shot. You're on camera right now with Russian here. So one Venom energy drink if you get Lewis. He's got a vouch for it though. You can't just say, oh, I got him. It's Todd with GSX signing out.
He said, I got 2 monsters.
The adults, we're gonna walk around the field, cover the angles. You guys walk with us. We're not even gonna shoot. We're gonna act like we're shooting. We're gonna bang bang. Okay, we're gonna walk around the field, cover the angles, because something I've noticed is Caleb's running alone. Lexi's moving with the girls and moving with the people she's working with, but they're not covering angles. And the way you win best at this, sometimes alone you can get some people. But if you got people watching your back, then you can't get flanked. If you got people covering the angles, you guys can move up together and you're less likely to get shot. That's proven in real military. Today we have our buddy Russian. He plays CQB all the time, so he knows the importance of these tactics. You can run and gun, and you can get a few people before you got, but when you're working together, that's when you can clear a field. Right, bro?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the building.
If you're too close to the wall, so you say when you turn around, you're all just kind of back up a little way. That way you can kind of do that.
True, true.
So you don't have to swing up. So you're already up, and you can kind of.
You want to come out here, Ruby? When he pops out, you're going to pop out above him. So Josh counted off